Hello, hi, and welcome. Today I will be showing you guys on how I will be crocheting these beautiful earrings. In order for you to make these earrings, you will require some earring hoops. You would require a scissor. You would be needing a 2 mm crochet hook. Let me focus this. So a 2 mm crochet hook. I am using this cotton knitting thread. Well, I bought this for about 90 bucks from the local market. If you are finding it in a very cheap price, you can also go with that, or you can also simply buy any other cotton thread. I will be needing some of the beads or pearls, whatever you call it, just to make it a little more interesting and a little more good looking. So without any further ado, let's get on to the first step on how we start to crochet the earring. Okay, so what I've done here is I've added my beads to the thread so that it does not I do not have to stick them out. I can directly just crochet it on the work that I'm going to do here, right? Now let me quickly zoom in so that you can get a clear picture on what I'm exactly going to do. So I'm gonna first of all make a slip knot just like this, and after that I am going to make 32 single crochets. So I'm gonna start sorry, 1 minute, just went out of focus. So there you go. I will do there you go, a single crochet like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 31 and 32. So we have 32 single crochets on the crochet hook. Now what we will do is we will chain 1 and turn the work, and now we will make 6 single crochet following from the next stitch from the hook, that is here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 single crochets like this. Next we will chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The chain 6 is to basically make the space for creating the petals, and after you make the chain 6 we will skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th stitch we will make a single crochet, and we will again chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a double crochet into the 4th stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is your fourth stitch. Make a double crochet. Sorry. Double crochet. Okay. Like this. Make 6 chains again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make another double crochet into the fourth stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Sorry if I am moving away from the camera. It's just that my camera techniques are pretty poor and I'm not a pro director or a video recorder, but I try my best. Anyway, so next we will again chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again make a double crochet into the 1, 2, 3, 4th chain from the hook, like so. There you go, double crochet. Next we will again chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3. Into the 4th stitch we will make a single crochet now, like this. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 spaces. We will not work anything on this part of the project. We will now chain 1 and turn our work. Once we turn our work, now we will create the petals. Now to create a petal, after chain 1, make a single crochet into the chain 6 space, the space that you created with the chain 6. 1 single crochet. Then we make 2 half double crochets. 1, 2 half double crochets. Then we will make 3 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So once you have the 3 double crochets, we will chain 1 and continue the sequence. Now again we will make 3 double crochets. 2, 3 double crochets. Pull these beads down. Okay. Then we make 2 half double crochets. 1 and 2. Then we make 1 single crochet, like this. There you go. So we've made 1 petal. Now into the next chain space we will make 6 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There you go. Next we will again continue what we did here, that is by making 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochets, that's 1 and 2, and then 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, again 3 double crochets. So we are doing the opposite of what we did here, right? So 1, 2, 3 double crochets, make 2 half double crochets, that's 1, that's 2, and this is your 1 single crochet at the end. So continue like this. In the next space we are just going to make 6 single crochets, and at the last chain space we will do what we have done here and here, that is single crochet, two half double crochets, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the same space, 2 half double crochets into the same place, and 1 single crochet. And I'll meet you at the end of this row. Alright, so once we've made these petals, I'll be making a slip stitch into the last chain, and I will not be working anything here. I will simply go ahead and chain 1, turn my work, and this is where I'll be using these beads or pearls to make, I mean basically this will look very impressive with, you know, these pearls. So okay, let's make 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'll be making a single crochet into the chain 1 gap like this. I will chain 2, bring this particular bead, pearl, or whatever you call it, like this, and make 1 more chain just to secure this particular pearl. Once we've done that, we will be slip stitching this to make a picot stitch. So to make a picot, I will simply go ahead and slip stitch into the same you know, chain 3 ka beginning space. Next I will again continue making single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right, so once we've done that, we will now be doing a slip stitch into the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we make a slip stitch into the 6 stitches, and we will continue making 1 single crochet into the other stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we will make a single crochet into the chain 1 space, make 2 chains, pull down the bead like this, chain 1 to secure it like so, and make a slip stitch to create a picot stitch like this here. Oops, sorry, it gets a little tricky sometimes. Hey, my bad. One more time. Sorry, let's try one more time. Another slip stitch here. Sorry, not another, there you go. Perfect. So we create a slip stitch here. Now into the remaining stitches we will make a single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and slip stitch into the next stitches here. So continue like this. Now we will just create a slip stitch onto this particular space, then we will make single crochets until we have reached our chain 1 space. Into the chain 1 space we will make 1 single crochet, chain 2, get the bead attached to that particular chain 2 gap, make chain 1 and secure the bead. Once that is done, we will again continue we will make a picot stitch. Once the bead is attached, we will make a picot stitch and continue making single crochets all across here, and I will meet you at the end. Alright, so we are at the end of this particular row. Now we will make our last single crochet and we will make slip stitches, or we'll first of all slip stitch into the first stitch like this and make single crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4, like this. So what you will do is you can leave a little bit of tail and you can cast off the stitches like that.